Hey everybody. I wanted to go ahead and wait to see if some people are going to join or not. Um, I want to do a code review for our travel agency, Backoffice. And so once I see a couple of people come in, then I will go ahead and begin this generative AI tutorial. It's going to allow you to basically learn how to code using AI generated code. It's not even a snippet, it's a whole app. So it's got a whole lot of parts and pieces, but we're going to dissect these parts and pieces and get a good understanding of what's going on behind the scenes of Replit.com when it actually produces this code and what the code is doing. Because I'm familiar with the CRUD operations, create, read, update, delete, I'm going to go over also the file structure and everything that's required to make all of this code happen and work. Okay, so if you are tuning in, if you're tuned in, I can't tell a count of how many people are tuned in. So, oh wait. What I need you to do is just go ahead and type in the chat, hey, where you listening from or something like that, just so I know that there's some people watching because I can't tell. Well, I guess I can look it up. I could look at my own video, but I would much rather just look at the chat because I can see the chat in my OBS. So give me a shout out. Let me know you're here, you tuning in, where you tuning in from, and if you're ready for me to do this code review. Because if I don't see nobody come in like 5-10 minutes, then I'm probably gonna just get out of here because I'd rather have a dialogue with people who want to know the information rather than just talking into a microphone and not really getting any feedback. You know what I mean? So that's where I'm at. I want to build a community of people that want to code or learn how to code using AI agents and things of that nature. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's get into it. I'm just gonna turn up the music till I get some people coming in. I'm waiting on you. So let's go, let's rock and roll. Let's get this show on the road. Oh, look at that. Okay, yeah, I can see myself. So I'm just waiting for some people to join. Out of here because I'd rather have a dialogue with people who want to know the information rather than just talking into a microphone and not really getting any feedback. All right. I'm here and I don't see anybody else. I only see myself. I have joined my session so I can see who's coming in or not. Um, so yeah. Type let's go if you're ready to get into this code review. Okay, if you are ready. Still waiting. Okay, I see a couple of people have joined. That's great. Let me know or just say hey. If you're ready, type let's code. All right, I'm ready to get started. Just let me know when you guys are ready because, like I said earlier, I want to build a community of people who want to learn how to code using ChatGPT, using AI tools like Replit Agent and things of that nature. So, yeah, let's code. All right, so just shout out where you're tuning in from or whatever you like to say, hey or whatever, and then we'll get started here. Let me see. I think I have some music playing in the background, but okay, so I don't want too much music because I want you to be able to hear me. Uh, yeah, let me put the music on. Are you ready? I see three people. Well, actually two if you include me. But I need y'all to go ahead and put in the comments, hey, you ready to code? You got about 30 minutes. We can do some code review and learn what it is that I do when using Replit.com. Yeah, let's code. Okay, everybody left. Okay, so y'all really don't want to know how to code. It's either that or I'm frozen. What? You got package dropping or something? Because I can see myself moving, but I don't see. Let me see what else I got going on here. Hmm. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to delete that, and so I just have one thing. Hmm. I want a string. I'm gonna hold on. I'm going to hold on, and I'm gonna believe that somebody's tuning in and can see what I got going on. Yeah. Otherwise, I might. No, I'd rather do it live. I'm really trying to be successful at this live. So, Type in the chat if you hear me. Hello, hello. So I just have one thing. I'm gonna hold on. I'm going to hold on. I'm gonna believe that somebody's tuning in and can see what I got going. Um, yeah. Otherwise, I might do it live. Really trying to be successful at this live. So type in the chat if you hear me. All right, here's the travel agency dashboard. Here under customers, it says management customer information and records. So we can view the customers here. That's our read attribute being utilized. Here under trips, browse and manage available trips. That's also a read attribute, but then also when it says manage, that means we're going to be able to update and delete records. Bookings also, we want to view and manage trip bookings. Let's go ahead and view some customers. Okay, so we have 2 customers so far. Over here, this green button allows us to create a record. This add feature right here, add customer. Once we click on the button, we'll be taken to a form where we'll be able to basically enter in the name, email, phone number, and address of the customer that we're wanting to add. Here's the new customer form. You can enter in the name, the email address, phone number, the address, and then, well, you can say and once we hit enter, It says, it gives us a little alert saying customer created successfully. And then you can see Joe Schmo down here as the third entry. Over here on the left hand side, you can see that the agent is asking me questions. Can you try creating a new trip with both origin and destination fields and verify if it appears correct in the trip list? Okay, so we need to do some testing. So really, all that really happens once you deploy the agent or give the agent a prompt as to what to do, it's going to create a basic set of instructions and generate your code based on the prompt. And then it'll ask you questions to see, hey, am I on the right track? Is this what you wanted? Is it working? So those are the type of things that we do during testing and code review. So let's go ahead and go out of this. Trips. Okay, we have 3 trips here, and we're wanting to add, I don't know if we can filter at this point. Add a search and filter functionality. Oh, it wants to add that feature. So yeah, this would be a good thing. I'll just demonstrate how the add trip works. Okay, so origination. Where are we starting from? Let's start from Miami. Well, I don't know. I think I did Miami once before. Let's start with Nashville, Tennessee. And then we want to go to Key Largo? Oh no, actually, let's go all the way to Los Angeles, California. Then we want to start, let's go for the love holiday. Let's go for Valentine's Day. Let's start on the 10th. And then ending on the 17th. So let's go for a week. Okay, so the price of this trip is going to be $25. Well, yeah, we could do 255. Well, actually, okay, let's keep it at something realistic, including like accommodations and all that stuff. Yeah, let's leave it at that $25.50. Okay. I'm going to show you how to edit. So, whenever you click edit, it should go back to the form. Let's capitalize the M in Miami. And let's make it Florida. Let's be a little bit more descriptive. Then the Dallas, Texas. And then I think that's it. That's all we're gonna save that. Alright, notice how down here we have the edited version of our trip. We can do the same thing for these, but I'm not going to do that right now. It says trip was updated successfully. Now it says, okay, so we created a new trip with both origination and destination fields and verify if it appears correct. Yes. So we're going to just answer the agent saying yes. Trip was created successfully. So now it's going to implement the select, search and filter functionality. bookings. Okay. Now, so trips are separate from customers, and bookings are separate from everything. When you book something, that means you are booking a trip for a particular customer. So a customer doesn't necessarily have to be on any given trip until you book them for that trip. So say you want to create a group trip, you can create a trip and then book each and then all the customers in the group can be booked for that same trip, if that makes sense. So they're going to be on the same flight and all that. Their itineraries are going to be identical. And then they'll have an opportunity to make a payment and pay. What are your questions? Because I'm pretty sure you have questions. You might want to know what exactly is going on here. Why would this be useful? After this demonstration, we'll show how the back end looks, how the database, all the tables and everything like that, how that looks. We're gonna add to the LA trip. We're gonna add Joe Schmo, Joe Schmo to the LA trip. And we'll book it today. the edit, you can actually take a payment. See the payment status.